In this video, I'll show you the thought process, the ideas that made me able to create this helicopter. So what I was prompting here was an aspect ratio of 7:4. I used some chaos and then I mixed things and took two different ideas and then I combined it. So subscribe to our channel if you like this kind of content, so you'll not be left behind. My name is Palle and this is Siggy AI. We want to be on the helicopter like the tiger and on our way to the future. Let's start with where it all began. So it started with me finding a prompt on the internet that said, create a realistic photo of a civilian helicopter dressed as a lion, hovering over a jungle, dressing Ottoman traditional medieval Turkish folk costume, flying lion, brightly colored, detailed textures, intricate embroidery, blue horizon in the background, jungle foliage, vibrant colors, lifelike details, quirky and fun. And that created these kind of images. So the thing is that I don't really like these square images, so I kind of went in and then I changed the prompt a little bit and added this AR74, and that in Midjourney, which we are using for this presentation, is creating this. So now I have the images in the right resolution, so I can use them for something and then I can better see what's going on. So like the top left guy is like, I don't know what he's doing, and we have the lion head. So this is a quite interesting prompt, right? What do you think of this prompt? You can write that in the comments below. So the thing is that I found this kind of funny, and then what I went in was that I tried to add some chaos to this prompt just for the fun of it. So that means I add like 2 and then C and then 100. And then what happened, we have another video where I go more through that. So this is what happened. So what happened is that I got all these kind of crazy images from this. And I was like thinking, what else can we do with this? So I had another prompt and another image where I was using equations to create art, and the aspect ratio here was like 3:2, so I was creating this kind of art. And I was thinking, okay, so what happens if we take this image and then combine it with the lion, right? What happens if we do that? So what I changed here is that I took the first part of the prompt with the lion and then I combined it with the thing I had before. So what I did was that I asked the Midjourney to create a hyper-realistic photo of a civilian helicopter dressed in Danish color. In the background, there's a highly detailed airbrush painting using a parametric equation to create captivating art, right? So that's what I prompted, and that gave me, after a few tries, this helicopter. And then I thought, okay, can we do this again? Can I replicate the result? So I tried it with a car, and then actually I could get the car too. Then I was thinking, what about animals? Could I do it with a dog? And that created these images of the dog. So it's the same prompt, the prompt I had before, that was like starting to create these images. I really like this one. I think that it's cool. I think it's cool that like the animals and the things are like inside and outside the images. And if I wanted to take Thomas the Train, I had like a few complications with that. But you see here that I actually managed with this prompt to have the train inside and outside the painting too. And my wife really liked it here, where it's like driving, the tracks are like outside of the painting. So that's what we can do with the prompt, and like combining different prompts that like in the first place when we're looking at it doesn't make sense. And that's like the cool part with AI and these kind of things, is that we can combine things that usually don't really make that much sense. And then we create things that are like, whoa, this is actually pretty cool. Then at the end I tried using it with humans. So the thing with the AI is that we are like, it's like the thing with like every time we get a result we like, we give it a like. If we get a result we don't like, we give it a dislike. So some of the fun parts are like going away in the AI. So I couldn't really replicate and use this with humans. So even though I tried, I only got Trump like half stuck in the image. I did get, when I used the prompt with humans, I did get like, I like this image. I think it's kind of cool that her reflection is kind of looking at us too. And I got this image where she's like part of the painting. So you can see like some of the colors go through. And we have this where she's in the painting too. And here another example, and we got this one, and we got a guy, and we got her where she's inside the painting too. I think this one is kind of cool too. So and then we got this one, and I kept like trying to play a little bit with it, and then in the end I did manage to get one image where the painter is inside the painting. So you see the colors down at the bottom are inside and outside. So if you go try this prompt, you will get these kinds of results. So I hope this gave a little bit inspiration on how to use the AI to like change things and like see things in a different perspective. In the next video that I will link up here when it's ready, I'm going to talk about how I created a lot of images from a story with Thomas the Train. If you want to get started with the AI and Midjourney, I have a video up here where I'll go through fast how the basic functions of Midjourney works. That's it. Let's go watch one of these videos now.